Okay.
Yeah. We are go over my lecture notes 21 on last Friday with the buffer example I'll show to the class. This is the one that I'm go over because there are people confused with sodium acetate. How does that play around with? Okay, let me start this with before chapter 8. What do you have? Just acetic acid itself, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I think last week, exactly this time, I only go over what if you don't have this.
Yeah.
Didn't we say what's the difference between chapter 7 and 8? Chapter 7, everything is by itself, either strong acid by itself or weak acid by itself. Goes to the same weak base. Chapter 8, we start to mix stuff. Mix with what? Most likely it's conjugate. Okay, this is exactly what is conjugate. So we'll start with what is conjugate. So acetic acid, I'll say HA. Let's write with whatever with water. It's also review on acid-base chemistry. So what I have is A minus and hydronium ion. Are we cool with this? So this is conjugate base. And HA is what? Weak acid, right?
Weak acid.
Okay, weak acid. All right. Are we cool with this?
Mhm.
Before chapter 8, chapter 7, we don't have this. We only have this, then you do Ka for this.
Mhm.
Now, with chapter 8, we're gonna be adding a second species into this. In this case, okay, let's do what is chapter 7. Okay, without, okay, just by blue, acetic acid, ice table.
Yeah.
Only blue, that's chapter 7. You will have 0.5,
Mm-hmm.
0, 0, and ice table,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So minus x, adding x, 0.5 minus x, 0 add x, 0 add x. So what is chapter 8? Chapter 8 says we're adding this. After you're adding this, what's wrong with here? Because sodium acetate, you have extra 0.5 m. So this is no longer 0. With this is chapter 8. You start to mix two species. Are we cool with this?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Why is this one so special? I know I write buffer here, but one of the tricky of chapter 8 is identify there such a thing called buffer. What do we say about buffer? Buffer is something weak and it's conjugate based. They should be in similar molarities, 0.5,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes the buffer doesn't made by itself. You may have something strong acid react with something weak. And whatever left over, you will get this. But this is showing you, once you fall into this bin, into this category, this is called a buffer.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so far, if this is 0.5, so this no longer 0, it's 0.5, add x. You do everything exactly like you did before,
Yeah.
if that's okay?
Yeah.
Does that answer your question?
Yeah, I'm like a little confused still with like the concepts. Like, where does the sodium come from? Are you able to write the equation how it would be without the variables?
Okay, sodium, here we'll call this counter ion, it do nothing. Okay, I'll
Uh-huh.
find that comment. Okay. Sodium is anything positive would work.
Mm-hmm.
I will say strong, a strong electrolyte. Anything positive, strong electrolyte. It is here because I need A minus, not because I need sodium plus. Sodium plus can be replaced, okay? Can be replaced with, okay, potassium,
Mm-hmm.
because potassium is also a strong electrolyte. How do I know? Because KOH strong base. Okay? I will say most likely you are going to see. Okay, can I replace this with hydrogen plus? No.
No, it's not a strong electrolyte, is it?
Yeah. HA is weak acid. Okay, no. No, because HA is weak electrolyte. What else, cation, you can think about? I'm giving you the chance to see what didn't you have question with sodium?
Yeah.
I'm showing you
Yeah.
what's the other, so whichever you can come up with.
Calcium?
Okay, calcium. You tell me if CaOH2 is a strong base or not.
Yeah, strong.
Okay, then that will be strong electrolyte.
Mm-hmm.
So it will also work. Make sense?
So like these are kind of would magnesium work?
Yeah, would work. That's
So
a
kind
strong.
of-
Yeah.
So, those
So
like-
this is kind of like it's only a placeholder
Yeah,
because I need something positive.
got it.
Are we good?
Yeah.
That positive should not play around with the A minus to affect my Ka. Otherwise I'm in trouble. The whole point is A minus need a partner. That partner needs to be something positive and should not affect my A minus.
Okay.
Make sense?